Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Anna and today I'm going to show you how I do my eyebrows. Now, this isn't going to be perfect, this isn't going to be professional, but this is how I do it. And it's just my time to do it because my eyebrows are crazy, so I just figured I would record it just because, why not? I might be able to show somebody some tips or some easy way to do it without going and getting it done. Now, I used to get my eyebrows done all the time, but I just stopped. I went through a lot with my eyebrows. Like, they were a mess. So let them grow back a minute ago and just have been doing them myself. Have been messing them up. Have been just trial and error. So I think that now I got it kind of under control. Thumbnail. Okay, so this is the before. Yikes. Now, what you're going to need is, okay, so you need some kind of Nair, whatever kind you like. This kind, I would recommend to get this kind. Just wait. Yeah, you can get this kind. I was gonna say this is the kind that you have to use in the shower, and I'm not getting into the shower, but doesn't matter, it'll still work. It's Nair. So you need some Nair, number one. Number two, you need a brush of some sort, doesn't matter, toothbrush, edge brush, brush, you need a brush. Nair, you need, I usually use Q-tips, but I'm all out of Q-tips, so I'm going to be using a paper towel and kind of roll it up and use it that way. So either Q-tips or paper towel. You need a razor. These work the best. Men's razors work the best, okay? They do. The girls are cute because they're pink, they're orange, they're purple, but the men's work the best. So you need tweezers. You need scissors of some kind. I like to use the small ones because they're easier. And some kind of eyebrow pencil filler inner. So, okay. Whew, okay, this is a process, but beginning, what I do is I got my little mirror here too. And I like to do it right in front of a natural lighting, even natural lighting, so you can see what you're doing, and have a little mirror so you can take it wherever. All right, anyway, so the first thing I do is use your Nair. You need a Q-tip or a napkin. I don't have any Q-tips, so I'm going to be using this napkin, and I'm just going to be twisting it up so I can get a kind of precise tip, kind of to replicate a Q-tip, like so. And then the first step of your eyebrows is to remove all this extra crap, all this extra hair here, all this extra hair here. You're gonna get some under here if you can, but don't worry about it too much unless it's super out of control. But the main thing for the Nair is to get all this hair. Okay, so I have a little bit of Nair right here that I put down, and I'm just gonna dab it in. And I'm just gonna put the Nair where I want the hair to be removed. Make sure you don't get this hair, but and if you're not using a Q-tip, make sure that you really twist this nice and tight so it doesn't unravel on you and get on your eyebrows. You might lose an eyebrow. So, oh, see it unraveling? Crap. This might not be a good idea. So, you want to get the hair like so. Do, 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 do. And I don't put Nair on the middle part because for some reason I feel like this hair in the middle is coarser, so the Nair doesn't work as well. So don't worry about the middle part right now if you have a uni. Just worry about getting these fine hairs. Oh, okay. Did a little bit too much. And if you make a little stupid ugly face while you're doing this, it's okay. We all do. No one's watching. If they are, it's okay. Like I said, because okay. See? And because I don't have that much underneath here, I'm not going to apply any Nair there. I'm going to wait and use the Q-tips for that. So, okay. Looks pretty good. But now you just have to wait about 10, 15 minutes. Really don't wait too long because you will burn yourself. And I got some of this hair on my eyebrow, so I want to fix it up a little bit. I'm actually going to use the tweezers to try to get it off of my eyebrow. Okay, that's cool. That works, yeah. Ooh, shoot. I took too much off. Okay, so just wait about 10-15 minutes to let this do its thing. So I'm back. I don't know if that's been 10 minutes, but this is starting to burn and I'm just tired of waiting. So now you want to have a washcloth or a paper towel, whichever you prefer. I have one side of this is slightly damp and the other side is dry. So all you do now is you remove it. Comes off so beautifully. So you just remove it then from the other side. I would prefer to remove it with wetness because it gets all of it off and feels better. Okay, so it's gonna be a little red. That's okay. Now, see, I got all of the extra hair off at the top. The next step is to pretty much see what you're working with. Now, get your brush. Brush everything up. Brush everything up. Brush all your hair up to see what's going on there. And get your scissors and all this extra hair, you're gonna cut it. Well, I can't see, I have to do it in the mirror, but you're gonna cut all this extra hair. And just keep putting your eyebrows up to get all that extra hair. And do the other side as well. Now, you can see the second time around when I push them up, there isn't that much hair sticking up. There's a little bit left right here. Now, some people brush their eyebrows then down and cut that hair, but I don't do that. I just brush it up and kind of, then you want to kind of start to shape it a little bit. Shape it how you want it. And I like to have my eyebrows, I just like to grow them in. So I like them how they grow naturally, and I want the edge of my eyebrow to kind of be on a it's going to be on a slight angle from the corner of my eye. So it's just going to be on a slight angle going this way. So this corner is going to line up with the edge right here. This corner is going to line up with the edge right there. And then a slight arch right here. Just a slight arch right there. So all of this I let grow in. And then I take this a little bit right here off. Okay, so top's looking good. We got the shape that we want. Now we're gonna tweeze. I would suggest getting a mirror that's double-sided. This one's really magnified so I can get in there. And then you just start plucking the little hairs.
Poke myself in the eye. Okay. Now, if you pull something a little too much, it doesn't matter. It'll grow back, or you can use an eyebrow pencil, so don't worry about it. But just take your time and get those little pieces. Now, sometimes when I just keep pushing them up and shaping them when I'm doing them. And then when I'm doing this, sometimes I can also, when you're close up, you can see little ones that are sticking up at the top. So you can just...
This is about looking how I like it. We have a couple obvious hairs here. Now, if I would have narrowed down here, it would have got these little ones, but I didn't because I didn't. Oh, I'm so out of breath, Lord. So you just want to get these little guys. Okay, so they're not going to be perfectly filled in. Both of them aren't going to be perfectly matched. But you do what you can. You don't stress yourself, and then you move on. Now the next step that I use is I get the unibrow now, and I use a razor because, like I said, I don't feel like the Nair is strong enough to get this hair right here. I feel like it's really coarse. So I'm going to flip this back to regular and just get that middle part. Okay. And I just keep shaping them so I can see what hairs are out of place, what hairs I don't want. Sometimes you gotta take a step back, look at it out of the magnifying, because you want to see how you're gonna look regular, not 100 magnification. And I could see this little hair right here sticking out. Okay, looks pretty good. Looks like it's up to my standards. Now, these hairs right here, you want to cut those too a little bit. I kind of like how that looks, so I kind of like how it looks like shaggy right there. All right, so that's that. As far as Nair, scissors, tweeze, just keep shaping it as you go. Pluck, pluck, pluck. And then the last thing is just the eyebrow pencil. Just to, like I said, just give it just a real little bit of fill in. And like I just keep shaping it. And just add a real little bit. You don't need a lot. Just add a little bit. You're enhancing your natural beauty. You're not covering it. So I just like to add a little just to kind of fill in the pieciness of it all. And I like to make this line right here just to fill that in. So just real light. A light little, really light, like just super light. And then just like kind of wisp it, just a real little bit. Not a lot at all. So you did that, and then just kind of pat it away because we don't want any harsh lines. And then you're good to go. It's not perfect, but that's what I do. So if you like this, make sure you comment, like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment on what other videos you want me to do.